Welcome to Carol's World. Moments come and go. Days pass by, turning into weeks, months, and years. You and the life you lead are constantly changing. Nothing is permanent. Remind yourself of this as you confront adversity and as negative emotions become overwhelming. There is no denying that each of us will experience challenges to our well-being over which we have no control. If we are able to face these situations, knowing that nothing is permanent, then we are more likely to appropriately handle and overcome them. It too shall pass. Once there lived a king in a Middle Eastern land. The king was continuously torn between happiness and agony. The smallest things could make him really upset or give him an intense emotional reaction. So, his happiness easily turned into disappointment and despair. One day, the king got tired of himself and started seeking a way out. He sent for a wise man living in his kingdom. The wise man was reputed for being enlightened. When he arrived, King said to him, "I want to be like you. Can you bring me something that gives me balance, peace, and serenity in my life? I will pay whatever price you like." The wise man thought and replied, "I may be able to help you, but the price is so great that not even your whole kingdom would be enough payment for it. Therefore, I will give it to you as a gift, if you will honor it." The king gave his assurances and the wise man left. A few weeks later, he returned and handed the king an ornate box carved in jade. The king opened the box and found a simple gold ring inside. The inscription on the ring read, "This too shall pass." "What is the meaning of this?" asked the king. The wise man replied, "Wear this ring always. Whatever happens, before you call it good or bad, touch the ring and read the inscription. That way, you will always be at peace." Like the king, we are also moved by the smallest things. The silliest event or person can turn us miserable in a flick of a switch. The truth is, the moment we realize that all will pass, we will approach life differently. Even a hot cup of coffee becomes cold if left to itself, and a cold glass of water becomes warm. In the same way, life can be summed up in 3 words. Life goes on. It will pass. Your road through life may be filled with an assortment of ruts and rocks, but it also has pleasant stretches of pavements. If you are currently in a rut, don't worry, it will pass.